Hey guys, what's up? We are back from California and we are in Vegas. We are at the Venetian today and we're gonna give you a resort tour. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Roll that intro. Now if you guys are standing where I'm standing, you see the sign right there for the Venetian. If we churn, there's the other sign, and right here they have this water. On this water they do gondola rides throughout the entire, not the whole hotel, but almost throughout the whole hotel. So it's pretty cool. We'll check that out along the way. If we look over here, we got a better look at the whole thing. This is also part of the Venetian, and so is this. It's pretty awesome. Also, if you're trying to cross the street, you go from this side of the bridge, and then you go across, and you're right there. So yeah. Pretty awesome. Right here we have the casino entrance. So if you walk straight up this bridge right here, you can go straight to the casino. And might I say, one thing about Vegas that I've noticed, a lot of the parking here is free, but your legs will pay the price because you do a lot of walking. So be prepared to wear some comfortable shoes because you're gonna do a lot of walking if you come here. Here we go, a grand reveal of the casino. Hopefully the door doesn't close on us. Oh, the AC is great. Another thing to keep in mind, it is very hot here. So, here we go. There we go. Ginormous casino. Then again, I think that's everything in Vegas, realistically. Poker rooms right there. Cool. And a lot of things that'll help you out here a lot is that there's signs here that tell you where to go. Oh, that is gorgeous. Hold on. So if we look up, you can see the artwork that is here. It is just fantastic. And I'm pretty sure, Lexi walked away from me, but I'm pretty sure we can see more things like that along this entire walk. Now let's say you don't want to use these signs to get around. You can actually use this kiosk, is that what they're called, kiosks? Yeah. To see more or less where you want to go. But one thing, they are very sensitive when you touch them. So if you're trying to type in a name, it probably won't come up right. So just for reference point, you're on the first floor. You're here. Let's say you want to go over to this food court right here. You probably just have to make a U-turn and go that way. So we're going to look around and see the things that we can find here and let you guys see. Because this is a really big resort. And I hope you guys are ready for a long ride. Now if you guys look at the games here and you look up, you can see that more of that artwork that I was talking about earlier. It's just fabulous artwork. So around here you have little food courts and things like that. Apart from just the restaurants, you have a little bakery, an Italian kitchen, a taco place, a burger place, and as well as a New York pizza. So you have the Italian things and the New York stuff. So that's pretty cool. Oh yeah, and a pharma box. If you don't have your medication and everything, you can come and get those. Good note they have those here because let's say you're coming in traveling and you forgot your Advil or you forgot to buy a mask if they change the mandates and everything. So pretty cool. So earlier I was talking about parking and everything. Over there to your left, it's going to be way to your left, you're going to have the guest suites, the pools, the Grand Canal shops, the self-parking, and then also where the Ubers and Lyfts, so basically the ride-sharing program. It's all going to be that way. We're currently going the opposite way to go see what else we can find in here. Over here on the opposite end of the casino, they also have a little parlay parlor. Over here you can bet on games, and
It's a nice bar area.
There's a nice bar area here too. You know, if you don't have enough bars in Vegas, that's all I gotta say. But here you go, guys. It's just crazy. I've always wanted to do something like this, but it scares me because I feel like I'm gonna spend way too much money on this.
If the Bama game was
Over. Also have no fear, they have the little directories everywhere. Also just a little update on the mask policy. As long as you're fully vaccinated, you don't have to wear a facial covering, at least here in Nevada. So, and here's more of that gorgeous art style that I was telling you guys about. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So we just exited through this door right here for perspective. If we turn around, you have the black tap right there, and then come over here, you can see the whole gondola ride. As well as over there is where you'd board the gondola ride. So we just came up these escalators right here. As you can see, it's the escalator to the Venetian Casino. If you turn around, this is the walkway. I think it's to Treasure Island. I'm just gonna step out here so you guys can get a nice look of what it looks like out here. Get a nice look at the strip. There you go, Treasure Island. They look down this way. Gorgeous views out here. Up here on the second floor as well, they have a walkway to the Grand Canal shops, Madame Tussauds, which is actually part of the hotel, and Sephora, which Lexi's very excited about. And now we look down here, and here's one last look. Well, it's not the last look, but a look at the gondolas again. So here we have the Grand Canal shops, and we're gonna walk right in there now. Lexi's gonna get the first door, and then after that I'm gonna stop recording for a second, and then we'll be in there. As soon as you walk in here again, the beautiful scenery. This coffee bean and tea, it's everywhere here. It's really different. And then you have welcome to fabulous Las Vegas, Nevada. Quick spin around, you have It's Sugar, Club Tattoo, Tao, Asian Bistro, and then Fat Tuesdays, which is right there actually. Alright, so here we have Fat Tuesdays. Lexi's over there in line to get one. They have a few flavors that we don't have back home, like a Mardi Gras flavor, electric lemonade, Bellini, eye candy, all things we don't really have back at the Fat Tuesdays at Universal. So Lexi's gonna probably try something different, but knowing her, she might end up with strawberry, so we'll see what happens. Alright guys, so Lexi got the Bellini, so she didn't get strawberry.
Snaps. Something else.
Okay. And she got a little souvenir cup. How much was it?
$18.
18, that's not too bad though.
20%,
So like $21 more or less. That's not too bad, you know?
I got the senior cup too with it.
And so that's not too bad, you know? Give us a live taste test.
Oh, that's good.
That's good?
That's good.
Okay, you heard it here first? That's good. And now walking through here, it may look like we're outside, but we are actually inside of the Venetian, walking through the Grand Canal shops. This is what it is. It's gorgeous in here, honestly. And so you guys know the gondolas also travel through here, so you get a nice little look at the inside of here, where it makes it feel like you're outside, but you are really inside. This is just, it's a beautiful hotel, beautiful look, and there's a lot of cool things here. Like they have the ice bar, they had the Fat Tuesdays that was over there, and it's just a bunch of little stores all over the place. It's like a mini mall, like Lexi said. Lexi said it's like a mall. It's the Grand Canal shops. So yeah, it's the Grand Canal shops, and it is gorgeous. But we need to find our way back to the Venetian because we're in it. We need to find our way back so we can get to our room. Well, to the pool. Now coming back from the gondola area, moving this way, we have a Houdini's Magic Shop and then a food court. We actually ate in this food court. We tried ice cream here at Gus Dean's and actually really liked it. They actually have like spiked ice cream flavors. We didn't have any of those. I had the mint chocolate chip. I found it really good as well. And then we also ate at the Social Life Pizzeria, right? Over there you can make your own pizzas. Found that pretty awesome. They have a lot of options. Chicken now. It looks like a sandwich place, right? I don't know what it's called. I can't read it. They have Panda Express, Johnny Rockets, Curry Pot, Hello Hello, Subway, and Chipotle. A bunch of food options. You also have to take the guest elevators to go to your room and the pools as well. So let's walk that way. Alright guys, so Lexi went back to the room, but we're gonna go to the pool on the 4th floor first. Alright, so a minor update. The pool won't be opening for a little bit longer because the weather. So that's fun. So let's just go look at the Canyon Ranch. Beauty, fitness, and spa. Let's go take a look at what we can. So here you guys get a nice look at the little reception area they have here for Canyon Ranch. Just sadly, I don't think I'll be going into the actual spa itself because you have to check into it. So I'll be doing that. But also, here's something I did not see at all. There's a rock climbing wall. There's also a full gym down there. Let's get down there and check that out. So instead of going down to the gym, because you have to talk to people down there, I'll give you a bird's eye view of it. And right here, there you go. It includes this rock climbing wall. From here, it looks like some treadmills, and it sounds like they have free weights as well. It's pretty cool. In here in Canyon Ranch, they even have a little barber shop so you can get your hair cut. That's pretty cool. Here's the menu for everything at Canyon Ranch. You can actually scan these QR codes. Here, I'll get a close up on it. Menu of services. Truth and tonic menu. And then the grill menu. You guys can pause at any time and check those out. These are the hours of operation of everything here. And now I'm going to make my way back to the other pool. Hopefully it's opened up. Let's see. Now let's check out the pool here on the 4th floor. Since it's open due to the weather clearing up. But you can see it rained. If you look at the floor, it's nice and wet. And then if you look up, you can see those clouds. Here we have a little spa pool. We turn. Nice little statue. An aerial look. So for perspective, we're on the 4th floor. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We're like right there. That's us. So let's walk over to the big pool. See what that looks like here. And here's another one. This is just so different to me. There's like multiple pools here. Like little jacuzzi like things. There's no one out here. I don't think they've let anyone out here yet. Because if they have, it's gonna be weird. There's a lot of pools. They're just scattered around here. Like, wow. A lot of them seem relatively like 3 feet, so they're walking in. You can sit down. There's like little beds right there you can lay down. Lifeguards aren't here right now. Here's a full bar, and then some sofa beds. And then you can see right here, more pool. And then another bar over there, it's called Spritz. And you can see the Mirage out in the distance, and Treasure Island over there. But here's 2 pools, pretty cool. And then here's the other pool here. And like I said, all the pools are relatively small here. Not small, but like they're short. So you don't have to worry about drowning. They're all 3 feet. But you have lifeguard stands everywhere. Will lifeguards come today? Who knows? But the weather permitting, hopefully we have to go into this pool today as well. And like I said earlier, the Venetian and the Palazzo are connected. So these pools will actually be for guests of both hotels. So pretty cool. So you come up to the elevator for your room. Come this way. This is for our room, obviously. They have 3 different walkways. Ours is this way. So I'm gonna go that way now. We're at 9210. Alright, here we go. Here's our room, 9210. Tap right here. Alright. As soon as we come in, we have this nice mirror right here. Hey guys, how are ya? It's me. Right behind me, these 2 doors will be your bathroom. With a couple more mirrors if you just want to keep checking yourself out today. Right when you walk in, you see this big centerpiece in a way with the sinks. With everything that you may need. A little soap, lotion for after your shower. Speaking of shower, your shower, that's our stuff up there already, sorry. Then a little bath. Along with that, you have your toilet right in there. Don't think I need to show a toilet too much. And this is cool to me. They have a nice little vanity area. So if the girls want to come and do their makeup, they can just sit here and get nice and beautiful. It's cool. Now leaving the bathroom area, we come this way. Out in the distance, you can see Lexi sitting down over there, looking very sophisticated. Here you have 2, these are queen beds, right?
Yeah, I think so.
All right, 2 queen size beds. Good enough to fit me, my mom, my dad, and Lexi, you know? Not on 1, 2, because, you know. But here's the beds, turn around. Get a nice TV. All this nice stuff. And here you have a closet so you can put your clothes away. I think we put all our clothes in here before we left California. Yep, our clothes is all in there. Turn around. Aside from this area here, you also have an area that goes down. What would you call this? Like a family room?
Yeah, like the living area.
Yeah, it's like a living room. Got a couch, 2 little sofa chairs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And that
Counter.
sofa actually pulls out into a bed.
Oh, good to know.
So you can have like basically close to 6 people, 2 in the queen, 2 in the other queen, and 2 here. Now if you have little kids, you probably could fit more. But realistically, 6 people can sleep in this hotel room, which I think is nice.
It's pretty awesome.
Yeah.
Right there is a nice little desk. You know, this is where I did my editing for my first video here.
It's a nice big drawer.
Nice drawer. It has these little outlets. I like these outlets a lot actually, because they have the USB and they have the regular just plug. It's really convenient. You also have a notepad.
Pen, a guest guide. So in the suite dining menu.
This is if you want to do like room service. You can order all this. All kinds of food options here.
Yeah. Very nice. Very nice. So that came on top of the desk here. So that's cool.
Along with that, we have another TV. And right here, if I'm not mistaken, is the fridge, right? Yeah. Now, one thing about the fridge. Everything is weighted. Right? That's what they said?
Yeah.
So if you lift something from here, there's a potential that you will get charged for it. But I will just open the fridge so you guys get a nice look at how nicely stocked this is. All the alcohol you can like really want. The main stuff, Jack Daniels, vodka, Bacardi, Grey Goose, a Fiji water for me, some Patron, and yeah, pretty fun. And finally we have a little table for the family to eat at. And that's the room. One more thing to throw in here. The lights here are pretty cool. Turn them all on for you. Boop. And you have all those switches right there. Those little ones right there turn on with this switch, if I'm not mistaken. If I press all, there you go. And one last thing, let's say you want to open that right there. Come right over here. You press open. And you get to see a nice view of, for us it's practically nothing besides construction, but there you go. This is our view. Looks like a weird dome over there. Don't know what it's for. Have no idea. Alright guys, and that was the entire resort. Only issue we had was the 10th floor pool because it was closed due to weather. Sorry we couldn't check that out. I strongly apologize. But that's everything. Hopefully this helps you guys know what this hotel is like and how big it is and how confusing it can get. If you guys like this video, please do me a favor and give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what your favorite part of this hotel was, and if you guys are staying here sometime, subscribe if you guys already haven't done so. And stay excellent, my dudes.